To set up a Metamask wallet on Android, start by downloading the Metamask mobile app from the Google Play Store. Once the download is complete, open the app and click on Get Started. You will be presented with two options, either to create a new wallet or to restore an existing wallet using a seed phrase. If you are new to Metamask, click on Create a New Wallet and follow the prompts to create a password. Make sure your password is strong and unique to ensure the security of your wallet. After creating your password, you will be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Write down your seed phrase and store it in a safe place, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app. Do not share your seed phrase with anyone, as it can be used to access your wallet and steal your funds. Once you have secured your seed phrase, you can start using your Metamask wallet to send and receive cryptocurrency. To add a new account, click on the Add Account button and select the type of account you want to add. You can add accounts for different types of cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. After adding your account, you can start sending and receiving cryptocurrency by clicking on the Send or Receive button. Make sure to enter the correct address and amount when sending cryptocurrency to avoid losing funds. It is also important to keep your Metamask wallet up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and updates. To update your wallet, go to the Google Play Store and click on the Update button. By following these steps, you can set up a secure and functional Metamask wallet on your Android device. Remember to always keep your seed phrase and password secure and never share them with anyone. With your Metamask wallet, you can easily send and receive cryptocurrency and interact with decentralized applications on the Ethereum blockchain.